Hello everyone. As you might be all aware of, we have this scholarship test coming up. So that is going to be conducted on 4th and 5th July at 7:30 p.m. So in this video, I'll give you details about the rewards of the scholarship and details on how to take the test. Try to watch till the end of this video because there are some important instructions. Tell you a few more details which you need to know before giving the test. So try to watch till the end, and also we will be explaining about what are the rewards and where you can take the test. Okay, so the main thing to note here is the test is going to be conducted on 4th and 5th July. So there will be two slots. One slot will be on 4th July, which is Saturday at 7:30 p.m. and the other slot will be on 5th July, which is at 7:30 p.m. again. So you have to be online exactly at 7:30 p.m. on either of the days. If suppose you are not available on 4th, you can give the test on 5th July also, and you have to be online exactly at 7:30 p.m. to give the test. So as I told, there are two slots. One is on July 4, 7:30 p.m. and other slot is on July 5th, 7:30 p.m. So you can choose any of the slots to attend. And the important thing to note here is the duration of the test is for 45 minutes. And the test is for 50 marks. So there will be a mix of numerical questions and multiple choice questions. For numerical, there is no negative marking, but for MCQ, there will be negative marking as similar as you find in GATE exam. So how to register for this test? So that we have given in the description one link, so you can go there and register. If you have our app, you can register there as well. You can go to our courses website where we have given the scholarship test. The direct link for this we have given in the description and also in the comment section. So the main thing to note here is you need not pay anything for the scholarship test. It's completely free of cost. So once you go inside, just click on this enroll for free. So you'll get the login details. So you give the login details, and once you are in, you can see it. So here I have again put the instructions, rewards and terms and conditions, and also we have a sample mock test which you can attend and see. As you might be seeing here, there is a time ticker which is saying when the test is going to start, and there is one more slot on July 5th at 7:30 p.m. And if you want to understand how the test works and all that, you can go and attempt this sample mock test. So once you take the test, so you will be seeing the questions here, and in app also you can do it, and you can go through the questions like this. And also there is a calculator like similar to GATE. Now coming back to the instructions. So like I told you, you will be required to start the test exactly at 7:30 p.m. and complete the test within the given time. Any fake attempts or cheating, that will be monitored by our systems, and from the test data, if we find out any fake attempts or cheating, you will be disqualified and not eligible for the scholarship. The final results will put up on Monday 7:30 p.m. on July 6th. And the important thing to notice here, notice your syllabus. You have aptitude, maths, strength of materials, structural analysis, fluid mechanics, geotech and environment. So these 7 subjects will be covered in this test. So this test will comprise of these 7 subjects. And the most exciting thing is the reward, so that I'll explain here. So the first two will get 100% scholarship. So the scholarship will be provided on our premium study package. You can go and check out in our website about this premium study package, where we have all the lectures covered, lectures for all the topics with solved examples. Then you have material also, which you can also get in PDF format and print for your own use. Then all this will come with doubt support. So whatever doubts you have, you can ask us if you get this premium study package course. And apart from this, in premium, you have a lot of practice questions. Subject tests are already put up and full length tests are coming soon. Then we also have a new feature called formula cards where all important formulas are there. And then you also have interview assistance and weekly study plan. So we have a 30 so we have a study plan put up, so that will help you study for the exam in a very sequential manner. So this is what the premium study package comprises of. So here top two, whoever comes like top two, they'll get 100% scholarship on this premium package. In the top five, they will get 80% scholarship, and the top 15 will get 60% scholarship. So the scholarship offer is on top of the actual price of the premium study package. So there are some terms and conditions. The one thing is, main thing to notice, you have to require you will be required to start the test exactly on time. If you come late, you won't be able to attempt the test, and the test cannot be paused. And other things I have already told you. And since there are two slots, the marks will be normalized so that we can get the toppers. And you can also attempt the test both in mobile phone by downloading our app APSED, or like I earlier mentioned, you can go to our website and also register for the test. So we have also put up some frequently asked questions. So one is like, if you miss the slot, if suppose you are missing the July 4th slot, you can always come at July 5th and attempt the test at 7:30 p.m. Suppose if you are late for the test, so that cannot happen at any cost. If you want to be eligible for scholarship, you have to appear for the test on time. At max, you will be given a grace time of 15 minutes. After 7:45, no matter what, you won't be able to attempt the test. So make sure you come earlier, like at 7:25 only, and at 7:30 you can start the test. Make sure you keep refreshing the app at 7:30 p.m. If you refresh the app or refresh the browser, then you will be able to attempt the test. This one I have already told you, the test is of 45 minutes duration and is for 50 marks. I hope everyone is clear about this scholarship test. So if you have any questions, let us know in the chat or comment section. Again, I'm telling you, one thing to remember is it is on July 4th and 5th. There are two slots and the test exactly starts at 7:30 p.m. If you have any questions, you can contact us. So this is our contact number. You can note it down, any queries regarding your courses or preparation or anything regarding scholarship, you can ask us. You can directly call us on this number. You can call us anytime between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you don't want to call, you can always email us or let us know in the comments or chat section. So everyone prepare well and all the best. Let's see who comes first and gets the scholarship.